Hey guys, I'm going to be using these press-on toenails from SHEIN. They were literally like about $2, and these are the items that you're going to need to get started. So I decided to use the ones with the flower design. I think they're super cute. And the reason why I'm starting to use press-on toenails instead of going to the salon now is because my salon experience the past couple times that I went were just not as good as I would have hoped they would be. They had me soaking my feet in the water for like about an hour because they kept taking in walk-ins even though I set an appointment. So number two, I usually get gel on my toenails and my nails, and I feel like every time I go in for like a fill or to get them removed, they really suck at keeping my natural nails healthy. They always damage it, and I feel like they always file way too close to the skin. So now I'm using my cuticle pusher to push down my cuticle, and this will help the press-on nails fit into my nail bed better. It'll make it look more professional. So my third reason for using press-on toenails instead of going to the salon is because it's way cheaper. Like I said, these were only $2, and usually when I'm going to the salon, I spend about $40 plus tip just for the mediocre work that they do. So now I'm filing each toenail, and this will help the glue like stick to your nail better because it adds like grooves to your nails. And like I said, the salon files too much of my nail and it hits like way too close to my skin and making it uncomfortable once they put the gel on. So it is kind of nice that I'm able to determine how much I want my nail to be filed down, because at the end of the day, we all just really want strong, healthy, natural nails. Alright, so when you're done filing, you just want to wipe off all the extra nail dust. And next, we're going to be choosing which nail fits best for my toes. And don't worry if the nail doesn't fit perfectly in your nail bed, because that's what the file is for. You're able to customize it and pretty much shape it into the shape that you want it to be. So here, I'm just going to be rounding out the nail so it'll fit more perfectly into my nail shape. So to speed up the process, you just want to make sure you have all your toenails ready. And that's what I'm doing. I'm picking out each one, making sure that each toe is aligned with the press on. So once it's time to glue, like the process will be quicker and I'm just able to do one by one just like that. All right, so I'm using this glue from Kiss I got from my beauty supply store, and it's a really good glue. I use this on my toenails and my fingernails. They make my nails last for about like 3 weeks, which is really good. And what I'm doing is making sure my natural nail is covered fully with the glue, because you want to avoid having air bubbles, and the only way to do that is to cover your nail fully and then you press down on it. And that's why it's called press-on nails, because you got to press down on them. So anyways, you want to go through this process pretty quickly. If you're having trouble grabbing the press-ons, I recommend using some tweezers. It'll help you grip the really small press-ons, especially for like the last two toes. I don't know about y'all, but I have really tiny toenails, especially like the pinky toenails. It's pretty much non-existent. So yeah, that's why I use the press-on, and then voila, it makes it look like I have a full toenail. So yeah, you're just going to repeat these steps for your other foot. I like how easy they are. It's cheap. And for those of you who don't like the salon like me, or who don't have time to get the salon, you'll be done with this in like 20 minutes, you guys. And it'll just keep your feet presentable. If you have to wear like heels or something, or sandals, or even like going to the pool or something, you just want your feet to be presentable. And they don't pop off because of the glue. Make sure you have like a really good quality glue. It'll help your toenails last for at least 3 weeks like mine. So after a few weeks, they will start to like pop off, but you can either reuse them or you can soak your feet and then take them all off and then pretty much just redo them. So now I'm just shaping the press-ons. I like them a little bit square. I know it's not like super perfect, but they really do elevate your toenails and just make your feet look presentable, you know? All right, next I'm using this hair and body oil I got from my local beauty supply store. It has grapeseed, almond, lavender, olive oil, and vitamin E. I like putting this on my scalp, my hair, and then obviously my feet, just to, massage in my cuticles and my toes. Just pretty much doing what they do at the salon and giving myself a little nice massage. Alright, so this is the end of the video. This is how my toes came out. If you're new, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and comment if you've ever tried press on toenails before. Bye.